Okay, so this is a quick video how to tape a drywall joint for beginners. First thing is you want your mud to be about that consistency, because too thick and you'll get blisters. Too thin, it'll drip. Take your knife sideways and go like that. And I am using paper tape to do this because paper tape makes the strongest corner. Some people say they don't like paper tape because they get blisters. Blisters happen entirely because you didn't have a consistent depth of mud under the tape. So if you make sure that you have a consistent depth, you won't get blisters. Just put the tape on like that. And when you wipe, start in the middle, because as you wipe, it'll scrunch up the tape a little bit. So if you start in the middle, by the time you start getting a big scrunch, you'll be at the end. If you start on one edge, you'll just scrunch up the tape in the middle. Okay, so I applied the mud with a 5-inch knife. Now I'm going to wipe it with a 6. That's just my preference. Now you see that I used a lot of mud there, so takes a little bit of effort to wipe it clean, but for this video is for beginners or do-it-yourselfers, so that's the foolproof way of doing it. Just make sure that you have lots of mud under the tape. And the other good thing about having lots of mud under the tape is that when you wipe it, you're also filling the bevel recess as well. So that makes it easier when you come back and coat it. So let that dry 12 to 24 hours, depending on the heat or humidity or how much airflow you have. And then you put your first coat of topping, and then you'll put another coat of finish coat over top of that. And then that's a finished drywall joint.